Hey, what's up, garden friends? Welcome to the garden. I wanted to show you a very quick video just to show you what it's like right now in the garden. It's dead of winter. What is it, January 19th, 2022? And so we are growing a wonderful little harvest out here. It's harvest time, and I wanted to get some footage of what the garden looks like, show you some of the things that we're harvesting out in the garden right now. Let's take a look. So in today's harvest, we're working on some brassicas. I just wanted to show you, look at this beautiful cauliflower budding up, and we're about ready to harvest this sucker. Beautiful color. The kids, one student called it magic broccoli. So it's really cool, and we've got quite a bit of it here. A few of them in this row, although some of them aren't quite ready yet. We've got some broccoli forming up, still not quite ready yet. You can see it formed up. And this whole row is about ready. It's another week or so on that one. Same right here. I just passed up some cabbage right there. But just look at that. Look at the broccoli in here. Forming up really nicely. Just got the morning dew on here. It's just a beautiful day out in the garden. We're doing a little bit of work out here. And if you recall, if you follow us on a field trip in here, this was all a massive collection of weeds over last summer. And it was just weeds everywhere. And so you can even see we harvested almost near a whole row of cauliflower and broccoli earlier last week, and we got to eat some of it. The chef is still working with some of it. We brought us some delicious soup. So this is what I wanted to show you. Look, our spinach is coming back. We've been harvesting that, but I mean, just look at this. It's called graffiti, and we're gonna harvest some of those today, and they are just beautiful. Look at that. This one right here is a monster. It's like a two-hander almost. So you can see just how big she is. Just a beautiful crown of cauliflower there. And if I want to show you one last look, also out here in the garden, we've got our orange trees are packed full. So not just the greens are ready to harvest, but right now, dead of winter, we are packed full of oranges. Kids have been eating them like crazy. We'll be pulling them off, maybe making some juice, eating them fresh. They are just delightful to eat. We got a blood orange tree here with a few more left on there. And of course, this mandarin tree was packed full earlier in the season, but we've already harvested that. This mandarin tree is not quite ripe yet, and that one's just finishing up. That one was covered, absolutely covered in fruit. It's probably got a couple dozen left on there, and then that one will be done for this season. But can't wait for the next one. This bed got planted a little later, and like I said, this all was weeds, 3 to 4 feet tall. You see the broccoli's coming up. Our leeks are doing great. We're out here hula-hoeing, keep making sure any of these little smaller weeds that are starting to sprout, we don't want them taking hold, because we battled those weeds so hard. We don't want to have to do it again, so we continue it daily, feels like. But it's looking pretty good out here. We're about ready to do some harvesting. Look at these carrots. We'll give them a few more weeks, and then maybe give them a pull and see what comes out. I'm really looking forward to that. But that's it for today. I just want to show you what our garden looks like right now, and it's middle of January. And we're just out here gardening, taking care of our plants. And ooh, look at that, another hidden one. Oh, and this is another one here I wanted to show you folks. Look at this. This is called cheddar. That's another type of cauliflower. It looks like it has cheese already in it. So we're looking forward to harvesting those ones. But that's it for today, folks. Until next time, garden friends. Ooh, let's go get some lemons. Happy gardening to you. And please never stop growing.